since you're so heavy on social, this conversation with a lot of agents just it gets their head spinning because it takes work, it takes effort, it takes thought. It's not just posting happy Groundhog Day. There's a little bit more to it. I mean, 10 years ago, that would get you like, I don't know, 500 likes. Now it gets you nothing. So how are you leveraging social media to build both brand and sales?
And that's a great point. I have a videographer that I work with, but it's a lot of work. You know, you have to make the commitment. You have to post daily, and you need to post your own authentic content. So you're absolutely right. 10 years ago, you could, contract it out. There were companies that will auto post for you. And it was just like, oh, well, as long as, someone's posting for me consistently, the algorithm is going to pick me up. Now the algorithms know when a bot is just posting for you. And that actually hurts your algorithm, hurts your content. So that's such a dated strategy. And where a lot of agents fail, or the ones who want to, maybe use social media, is when they say, okay, I'm too busy. I'm just going to, hire this company that's going to post constantly for me. And then I'll just chime in here and there, or I'll type something up, I'll post a photo, and, that's it. That's not, the thing is, people got to understand social media is meant to engage. You got to engage. You got to be engaged and engage. And you got to, you're building an audience. You want the audience, you want to feel that audience, and vice versa. You want to build relationships with that audience. So it is time consuming.
It's like going,
but the rewards are great.
Yeah, it's like outsourcing. And there are things you can outsource that aren't, that are okay. I mean, I'm not good at video editing, so I have someone do that for me.
Oh, of course.
But the actual engagement and the content strategy, I take care of 100% up front. So it's like, you think about outsourcing that. Essentially what you're doing is saying, hey, there's a huge party in town. Would you like to go for me and just tell me how it is? If you connect with anyone, let me know, and then I'll show up and I'll talk to that person.
Yeah, exactly.
It doesn't really work that way.
Exactly. So and that's the other thing too. If you do that, you're missing an opportunity to build an audience that is going to connect with the authentic you. If you follow my pages, like when you see me go live or I do my videos, that I'm being myself. I'm being who I am. I'm talking about things I enjoy. I'm hanging out at this restaurant or this bar, or I'm lifting weights, or I'm doing XYZ. And so, you follow my page, you get to know me, because it's like, oh, well, Murad likes to do this, that, and the other, and that's the thing that people miss if they're not going live, or if they're not connecting with their audience with the authentic you. I think that's the struggle that a lot of people have, is just being authentic. They're so nervous. They don't know, oh, what am I going to do? Are people going to like me? The thing is, people are going to connect with other people they want to connect with.
Yeah. Be you, be real. It's okay if you're not 20 years in the industry and you know everything. Like, you can actually be the new agent, and there's a new agent. We'll probably have him on at some point. Or he's not new anymore, but he was newer, and I saw him just out there, content. He was just journaling his journey. And like, he didn't have to be like Gary Keller or some like huge icon that everyone knows.
Yeah.
He just had to be him. Like, boom, hey, we're going to look at this house with some buyers, and let's take a look. Like, and just journaling all that. And it's been effective, and his business has exploded since then.
Yeah, absolutely.